Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson. Today I'm going to show you how to make a ribbon and bead curtain. If you're from the 60s, like I am, you remember how groovy ribbon and bead curtains can look. And you might want to add a little whimsical touch, a little touch of nostalgia to a room by doing this. First, you can take any kind of ribbon or jute and tie a hoop on the end with a double knot so that you can secure this over a tension rod that you can put in the door frame. Now, then you can take beads that are with holes big enough to fit on the ribbon and put them at different areas on the ribbon. It can be measured out exactly if you prefer, or you can just eyeball it like I'm going to do. I'm going to just put this satin ribbon through here. You can use any kind, any colors, any kind of beads, any colors. It's all a matter of the decor in the room that you're going to do it. So now I'm just going to put that roughly like there. And then you tie a knot under the bead to keep it in the place that you want it. Now you may have to tie a few knots in that spot to get the knot big enough to keep the bead in place, because sometimes if the hole of the bead is a little bit larger, it's just going to go right over the knot. So you may need to do a couple more right in that spot, and sometimes it's a little tricky to get it right over there, but it's not a big deal. You just keep going. If you miss, you just do another one. It's not really a problem. Just do a couple more. And again, you make the ribbon as long as you want it in the doorway. You can make the ribbons staggered lengths if you want to give kind of a dome effect to the doorway, or you can make them all the same length if you want to just spread them apart as you walk through the doorway. It's all a matter of choice. And there you have a way to make a beaded doorway. You make as many ribbons as you want in the lengths that you want, put them on the tension rod, and there you go. My name is Linda Hutchinson. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.